Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Behind CG. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this simple scene inside Blender. In this scene, I will break down all the elements and models one by one, how I created and achieved this kind of result. So let's start break down the things one by one. I will start from the rock. I downloaded this rock model from the fab.com. Here you can search a rock. In the pricing option, and just check this free option where you will get all the free models and materials here for free. Just simply click one of the rocks. Here I downloaded this one. Just simply uh, click this download option, and you can just choose the quality and file format. Here I downloaded this in high quality, and I will show you how I set up the material for this. So go to the file, import FBX. Here is the high model. First time it will look like this. This is not the same because I changed some things in the materials. I will show you how I achieve this kind of result. So go to the rock. I will split the screen in half. I will just change this to shader editor. So simply select the principal shader, click the backspace on the keyboard, and it will reset this shader to by default, or you can just simply add another principal shader. So now just import all the maps. I will select the maps one by one. I will not include all because I just need a few of them: the base color, the bump, displacement, normal, roughness, and specular. Just add them. You can see this looks dark. This is because of the bump map. I will just reduce the strength to 0.1. I will add a subdivision modifier to make the geometry a little more high. You can see I will make the values to 2. Now this looks good. And also in the material setting, go down in the setting option and just change this bump only to displacement and bump. Now this will create a little you can see on these edges a little some displacement here. If I can disable in the shader editor, you can see the effect. And one more thing, here you can see this rock. If I can show you, this rock looks shiny like a wet rock. I just simply add a color map to this, to the roughness and the specular value. If I can show you in the render view, you can see I made the roughness map a little dark to make it more shiny, to look like it's a wet rock. So this was the rock, and now we'll go to the this form. I just simply downloaded this form shader. You can just download the file, drag and drop, and append the material are not set up. This is nothing but just a simple you can say a simple shape I created from a cube. Just add a cube, delete the lower part, delete the lower part, select it, scale it down, add a subdivision modifier. I will add the level to 3. Now in the edit mode, just start giving it a shade. This is how I made these form shaders. You can see one here and one here. I just duplicate this one and just reshape the overall model. The next thing is the lighting, the lighting scene of the overall thing. So for this, I will just hide the product, the lighting, the rock, and the form, and I will just show you how I created this pure white background. I edit a plane and duplicate the same plane and rotate it a 90-degree and give it an emission material. For the floor, I just added a simple principal BSD knob with a little transparency at the end. Just to remove this edge, you can see the node setup, a gradient. I can show you this. This is the gradient. You can of course change the size and the position. Now we'll move to the lighting setup. I will again show all the product, the rock and the form. The lighting, if you can, I can show you one by one. Oh, sorry. For the HDRI, I reduced the strength to 2.2, and this is the HDRI I downloaded from Polyhaven. You can just Google Polyhaven, go to this website, go to the HDRI studios, and I chose this HDRI. You can say. Now again, come to the scene. The HDRI value is 0.0. I added two lights. I will just show the first light, which is our main light. Here you can see this create this nice gradient and soft effect on this left side. The material setup is the same as I shown here in the on the floor. This is the same material setup I use in the lighting. I just created an emission, attach an RGB curve just to control the flow and the strength of this gradient. You can see. Let me enable the second light. The material is the same as this one, just I changed the gradient type from linear to quadratic sphere, just to create this spherical shape, this circular gradient shape. This is because I just wanted to make a soft, you can see a soft highlight on this bottle. I chose a gradient because if I can show this one, this create a little hard line on this side, but in this one you can see this create a very soft highlight on the other side. You could also use a simple white plane on this side just to fill the shadows, but I did not do that because I just wanted to create a simply soft highlight over here. So this was the overall setup for this scene. This is a very simple scene. I will share the link in the description for the scene where you can download it and use in your personal projects or in commercial projects. Thanks for watching the video. If there is any issue or anything, let me know in the comment section.